G'day, it's Scott from Cushie Audio. I'm going to take you through the initial setup of the VLine and some of the basic functions. This will be the first screen you will see after hooking it up. It'll be the only time you see it. So read it very carefully before you agree. Alright, we'll agree. We're going to start up here. This is where we change it to metric. We'll go speed, kilometres, temperature. Navi's not known yet what's going to be the default, so we can remember where this is and go back to it later. Yes, we want right-hand drive. Tick this one for fun. And a bit further down, this is where we've got the microphone gain. There's a new auto setting I have not played with yet. It came with the last update. So we're done here. Now we'll go back to this main screen. This is where we add things like CarPlay. This is where we add things like Android Auto. As you can see, there's lots of other things there. This little symbol here is Dashlink. That's Grom's operating system. Avoid this YouTube one. We'll get it later on from the Play Store. All the apps you download will be in here, and there are some interesting shortcuts that you might want to explore. But right now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to this next page, and we're going to go to the Bluetooth. I've got the Bluetooth settings open up on my phone. We'll click Pair New Device. It will find my device pretty quick. There it is there. We'll accept it on our phone and on here. Allow it to sync the contacts, etc. Okay, so that's connected. We're just about done. So we go back to here where the CarPlay was. It'll see the device that we've just connected. Tap to connect. I've still got my phone open because it will ask me one more time. Yes, use CarPlay. And there it is. Woohoo! You can play with these actually on your phone. But now, today we're going to go back to the Grom's user interface. We'll disconnect from CarPlay. This is crucial that it's set right. It's separate to the CarPlay clock, so make sure all your time zone and everything is set. That is in here. Time, yada, yada, yada. In here, we'll go back to the Bluetooth. We'll click on this little wheel here and click it for internet access. You don't have to do this for CarPlay, but when you're out of CarPlay and you want to do updates, etc., it's crucial. So now we can go to our update page and check for updates. My reception here is lousy, so this is going to take ages. I connect it to the home Wi-Fi generally to do it, but not for this example. All right, there is an update available. Oh, that was pretty good. Would you like to install it? We'll say yes. This is where you will lose the screen on your car. It's different here on my setup. It is okay now to toggle your ignition. Ignition off, ignition on, and you'll get your user interface back as VLine restarts. So you can see the 49, got to be quicker than that. And now here, how quick was that? $49 is the software version, and on Alex 6 we've just updated it to 54. And now we'll go back to CarPlay. Happy days. Thanks for watching.